Hi everyone, and welcome to Notix, the top service for your push campaign. Among our extensive list of features for the best performance, you will also find WordPress plugin for website owners. After you install this plugin and enable automatic push sending for new posts, your users will start getting instant notifications about the fresh content you publish. First, download a plugin file and upload it to the plugin section of your account. Activate Notix plugin, and don't forget to add App ID. In order to get the App ID, you should go to the My Sources tab of your Notix personal account and choose the source you would like to link to your WordPress plugin. The App ID is next to the tag name. The benefits of WordPress plugin are inform users about all or particular new articles right after they're published. Notix plugin prevents double publication of push notifications, which often happens in some WordPress themes. Sounds convenient? Want more? Then subscribe to our channel right now.